Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to be discussing one of the most popular programming languages, Python. Python is a high-level, interpreted language that is widely used in a variety of fields, including web development, scientific computing, data analysis, and artificial intelligence. It is known for its simplicity, readability, and flexibility, which make it a popular choice for beginners and experienced programmers alike. One of the key features of Python is its large standard library, which includes a wide range of modules and functions that can be used for a variety of purposes, including file I/O, regular expressions, and network communication. This means that Python programmers can accomplish a lot with just a few lines of code, as many common tasks are already implemented in the standard library. Python also has a large and active community of developers, which means that there is a wealth of resources and support available for Python users. This includes a wide range of libraries, frameworks, and tools that can be used to build everything from simple scripts to complex applications. One of the strengths of Python is its simplicity and readability. Python code is often said to look like pseudocode, which means that it is easy to read and understand, even for those who are not familiar with the language. This makes it a great choice for beginners, as well as for developers who are working on collaborative projects. Python is also a dynamically typed language, which means that variables do not have to be declared with a specific data type. This makes it easy to write code quickly, as you don't have to worry about declaring variables or casting data types. However, it also means that Python is less performant than statically typed languages like C or C++, which means that it may not be the best choice for programs that require high levels of performance. Python is used in a wide range of applications, including web development, scientific computing, data analysis, and artificial intelligence. It is known for its simplicity, readability, and flexibility, and has a large and active community of developers. One of the most popular applications of Python is in web development, where it is often used in conjunction with frameworks like Django and Flask. These frameworks provide a set of tools and libraries that make it easy to build and deploy web applications quickly. Python is also popular in scientific computing, where it is used for tasks like data analysis and visualization, as well as in artificial intelligence, where it is used for tasks like machine learning and natural language processing. In conclusion, Python is a high-level, interpreted language that is widely used in a variety of fields. It is known for its simplicity, readability, and flexibility, and has a large and active community of developers. While it may not be the best choice for programs that require high levels of performance, it is a great choice for many other applications, including web development, scientific computing, and artificial intelligence. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or thoughts on the topic, feel free to leave a comment below.